Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Are you tired of missing out on your daily runs? Due to unpredictable weather or busy schedules? Well, I've got just the thing for you, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Incline Treadmill. This sleek and sturdy treadmill is perfect for anyone looking to stay active and fit from the comfort of their own home. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting your fitness journey, this treadmill is designed to meet your needs. With a powerful 3.0 HP quiet brushless motor, this treadmill provides a smooth and efficient workout experience. The pulse sensors built into the handles allow you to monitor your heart rate and track your progress as you exercise. And with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, this treadmill is suitable for a wide range of users. One of the standout features of this treadmill is the incline function, which allows you to adjust the level of difficulty to match your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to burn calories, build muscle, or improve your cardiovascular endurance, the incline feature offers a versatile workout experience. So, how can you make the most of your UMAY fitness treadmill? Start by selecting your desired workout program from the easy-to-use control panel. From there, you can adjust the speed, incline, and other settings to customize your workout to your liking. Whether you prefer a brisk walk, a steady jog, or an intense run, this treadmill can accommodate your needs. But you might be wondering, how does the UMAY fitness treadmill compare to other home fitness equipment on the market? Well, let me tell you, this treadmill stands out for its durable construction, quiet operation, and advanced features. Plus, its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, saving you valuable space in your home. Now, let's talk about some real-life usage tips for getting the most out of your UMAY fitness treadmill. Be sure to warm up before each workout to prevent injury and improve performance. And don't forget to cool down and stretch afterwards to aid in muscle recovery. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality treadmill that offers a challenging yet comfortable workout experience, look no further than the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Incline Treadmill. Take your fitness routine to the next level with this versatile and reliable piece of equipment. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your home workout routine with the UMAY Fitness Treadmill today. Order yours now in black or gray and start working towards your fitness goals. Stay active, stay healthy, and happy running.